unbelievable. We're not actually sure whether or not they're going to get offered a major Hollywood movie or, in fact, just a sandwich bar somewhere in London. That's Ninja Day Off. Sadly, not at your cinemas soon. Welcome, Bananarama.
Thank you, Philip.
Here now, I'll do some prize picks in just a few seconds. There was an article in the newspaper which I wanted to just have a quick chat about, and that was they said, you know, the new image change. It's a video. Your new video couldn't possibly be shown on Going Live and programs like that because it was far too raunchy. Yes. What do you say to that?
We never showed our cotton underpants. That's all. Our bloomers. For starters, we couldn't afford to make 2 videos because you have to pay half of it yourself. So it's a complete lie.
Not true.
It's not too raunchy. I'm sure you've seen
very
it.
tame.
It's not at all.
Is it true? Well, we don't need to show the video because we're going to play us out today anyway. Is it true? Having a baby? Is that true?
Yes, in November.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It's November. You don't know, like, boy or girl. I mean, it's far too early to tell now, I suppose, isn't it?
I can find out in about 3 weeks' time.
Right. Do you want
I'd like to say hello to my little boy. Is that right?
Of course
My
you can.
boy Steve.
Hello, Thomas.
Oh, what a family it is now. The sixth album, Pop Life, due out soon.
Yeah.
When's that actually coming out?
First week in May.
And what can we expect on there? What sort of stuff?
Oh, a vast array of different styles. Many
cacophony of different styles.
Absolutely. I think
Right.
it's much broader than the Stock Aitken Waterman one we did last time.
Right.
There's still some pop classics, but there's a bit extra as well.
Good stuff. All right. Well, we'll look forward to hearing it a little bit later on. Single, would you like to do some prize picks now? Dip in there.
Would.
First one, this is the Sylvia Anderson competition. Whenever you meet Sylvia Anderson, don't say you can see the strings on Thunderbirds, because she doesn't like that at all. The question was, what car did Lady Penelope drive? What was its colour and what was its number plate? The answer was a pink Rolls Royce. It was Fab 1 and...
Vanessa Bruce from Brixton, London.
Congratulations to you. This is your prize. You have won, and it is an incredible prize. I hope you like the Thunderbirds. You have got 15 of their programmes on tape, a cap, international rescue top, and a complete set of Thunderbirds photos as well. On its way to you. Moving along now to the Alita Adams competition. Alita said, how tall am I? How tall is Alita Adams? The answer was 5 foot, 1 3/4 inches. We'll accept anything between 5 foot 1 inch and 5 foot 2 inches. You don't have to be absolutely accurate.
Yes,
she's very tiny, yes. Who's won that?
Debbie Boyce from Dudley, West Midlands.
Congratulations to you, Debbie. Here's your prize. You have won, and this is another great prize. CD, autographed album, pictures hat, and a Yamaha keyboard as well. That's yours and on its way. Did you keep that? Oh. Could you keep it? Yeah. Otherwise, poor old Simon Foster will have to rummage through them at the end of the programme. On to the next one now. Jump over here.
A lovely postcard.
Which one of the following was the odd one out? PAL, CCAM, NTSC and VTOL. Now, in case you wanted to know, in fact, what they meant, PAL is Phase Alternate Line, it's all television terms. NTSC, National Television Systems Committee. CCAM, a French abbreviation which translates to Sequential Colour with Memory. VTOL actually is Vertical Takeoff and Landing, so that was the odd one out.
And this is from Heidi, no surname, of Dobcross in Oldham.
Well done to you, Heidi.
Well done, Heidi.
Congratulations. And here's your prize. You had a great week last week. You have won the television that is shaped like a cycling helmet. That's on its way to you, a remote control colour television. Thank you very much indeed for popping in and doing those. I'll collect those off you now, if that's OK. And we'll see you a little bit later on. You play us out.
Surely.
Terrific. That'd be good. Now then, time for Charlie Green, one of the items. Now.
It stretches out much longer, you know.
Thank you very much. Well, we've come, sadly, to the end of this series of Going Live, programme 30, but we will, of course, be back in September.
We will. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, everybody who's joined us on the programme. Thank you to everyone who's phoned us up, and we look forward to seeing you in the autumn.
We will be back in the autumn, bigger and better than ever, because, in fact, we will be in stereo.
Stereo. Stereo.
Have a great summer.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
See you in the autumn.
Of cover versions. The Supremes, with Diana Ross on lead vocals, were created back in 1959 as a sister band to the all-male Temptations. They scored a string of hits through the 60s with classics like Baby Love, Where Did Our Love Go and Reflections. In 1970, Diana left to start her solo career, but the Supremes continued, and in '71 they made the top 20 with the song